How to export your Jira issues to Excel. Let's find out. My name is Anatoly, you're watching Define Agile, where we talk everything Agile, and we're talking Agile tools like Jira. And today we're going to talk about how to export. So let's get right into it. I don't want to waste any of your time. I know it's very, very precious. So let's say we have a project, and our project will be, let's say, Define Agile TESG. Let's click on this. Click on backlog. So there are a couple issues, and this is what they are. So we want to export all of them to Excel. How would we do that? So first we need to find all of them with a filter, and for that we can do it multiple ways. One of the ways we can do it is to click on three dots and click on board settings. Here we have saved filter, which actually shows us everything on a backlog. We can click edit filter query. And this is exactly query that we need. Project, MTS, order by, rank, ascending. So you can take this query and input anything other. Let's say I have project that's called DESD. Define Agile Service Desk. I click search. See, it just shows me. You might have this one, switch to basics. It's even easier, so you might land on this thing. And if you land on this thing, you can just select your project, MTS. That's it. So you're good. Here we are. How else can you get to this screen? You can click on filters, click on advanced issue search, and you'll be at the same place. So now how do we export? Well, here we go. You can open it in Microsoft Excel. You can open it in Google Sheets. You can share it, or you can export it. When you click export, there are many ways you can export it. So you can export it as CSV, etc, etc, etc. So let's try clicking the button. Let's click on the button, Microsoft Excel. And it says on desktop or online. Just click on desktop online, it will get you to Microsoft website. And on a desktop, you should just download it. And it says Jira Cloud for spreadsheets. Would like to access your Atlassian account. You just select which one, which I do. Click accept. Here we go. Jira search XLS. So here's what we're gonna see. And I don't have Excel, I have numbers because I'm on Mac. But I just want to show you how it looks like so you have an idea. You might have it much prettier if you open it in the normal app. So I have two tabs. About, it shows me when it was created. It shows me this image. I don't know why I need this image, but it shows me the image. Shows me created on Jira site, which Jira site, and what Jira query did we export. And then you have your Jira issues tab, and here it shows issue type, key, summary, assignee, reporter, priority, status, resolution, created, updated, due date, bunch of things. So here you go. This is exporting to Excel, and you can export as many of them as you want. You can export your whole Jira to Excel. Hope it helps. If you have any more questions, put them in the comments down below. If you're confused and want somebody to help you out, you can schedule a consultation with me. I have no hourly consultation, so go on a link down below. Schedule a consultation. We can talk about Agile, Jira. I can answer all your questions. So use it while it's there. I don't know if it's gonna last because I'm getting too many of those now. So please book yours if you want, and I'll be happy to talk to you. And if you're totally new to Jira, you want to learn it, go to link below, because the Jira course will allow you to learn Jira in a single day with all the basics. Hope it helps, and I'll see you next one. Bye bye.